What's up, investors? Ken here from the Dyslexic Investor, and we're going to be looking at the S&P 500 today. And wow, what a day. If you look down this huge gap up today, Dow closed up fairly high, a little over a percentage, or all the indexes closed up well over things. Dow Jones plus 300, SPX, you can do 30-ish, but you can kind of see here we hit a very tippy-top high here, which is in correlation with these other two. Here we did close above the yellow line, which is again the 21 exponential moving averages. So that means this could be this is, and technically speaking, a shift, trend shift to the upside, so more bullish. So let's go look at the 1 minute chart of today. Like, absolutely insane. Taking off from here. This is again SPY. A lot of people use SPY for puts and calls on the options market. So I want to look at it opened up around 296, popped all the way up to under 300, which is was a kind of a key number. If you go back here, I want to look at the futures market because that gives a little bit of a dictation of not hitting the 3,000 marker. So if you look at here at the 3,000 marker, that's right about here on that line. So you can kind of see here, huge upsell, but still a lot of pressure on just kind of keeping it down. And what I usually do with this is I like to look at the complete opposite, which is the Japanese yen. So I don't know if it's a fairy tale or it's sometimes true, 92% of the time. If the yen's doing great, it's the complete opposite or the inverse of what's happening in our market here in the equities. So if the yen is continuing going down, which I would say the 200 could be a strong support for the yen here by holding it together, then you can have this maybe peter out around a little over 3,000 if we continue to have this weekend coming up with any news that comes from the trade, or if we don't attack another country or something like that. It was to be very careful on what it's going to be happening here. So this is ideal to potentially see and get out of the positions you might have bought down here around the 3,000 level. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Ken signing off from the Dyslexic Investor. Catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.